heavy and gray. It tumbles and pitches through space. I can remember when rain was soft, when you kissed the rain from my face. Now when the wind blows, I run from its touch. With you, wind was silk on my skin. People in love walk inside the wind, where nothing can hurt you. It holds you too close. But now I'm outside looking in. One day, all my world circled about you. Now when I move on without you, nothing on earth is the same. Do you remember the sweep of the rain, the sound of it strumming the sky? People in love walk inside that song. But now when I listen, the melody's changed. The rain only whispers goodbye. I don't want to cry when I think of you, but now when the rain falls, I do.